Supersonic Steph here, and today for the month of May we are going to be learning how to make compost in a cup. This is something really cool that you can do at home. Compost is actually just a breakdown of all of your food items, essentially decomposing. It can be used as mulch, it can also be mixed into soil and works as a really great fertilizer. So we got a couple things here, some plastic gloves in the event that you don't want to get your hands dirty. I totally understand. Just a little bit of water, some dirt here, a 16-ounce cup. This is actually what we're going to use as our compost cup. This bowl we're actually going to use as our purpose to sort of start mixing our compost. So right here I just have a few leaves, sort of just some elements from the outside. We have some coffee grounds here. This works great in compost, so we'll go ahead and add those in. I'm not going to throw in the entire apple. However, it's just a really good example of something that can be thrown into your compost bowl once you know it's eaten. Here I'll go ahead and put, again, anything really that's not meat or dairy essentially can go into your compost. So we have just some lettuce that wasn't eaten, some onion, kind of the skin of the onion. These are just some pickles and zucchini, some squash. Again, any of your leftover scraps after you've peeled potatoes, that can all go into your compost pile. So then what you're gonna go ahead and do once you've got all of sort of your ingredients for your compost bowl, you are going to take a little bit of dirt here and you will put that into your compost as well. Add some water, and then essentially this would be a good time to put your gloves on. You will start to mix your compost. Ideally, after you've started to collect some of your decomposing items for maybe a week, then your bowl would then be pretty full. You will go ahead and mix all of your compost together. You will then take it and put it into your compost cup, the 16-ounce cup with 3 holes that I drilled into the bottom. You will then take your early on compost and pour it into your compost cup. You will then take a saran wrap, place it over your 16-ounce compost cup and place a rubber band around it just to really seal it and make sure that no air gets in. So in order for compost to thrive in its best environment, it's going to need a little bit of shade, a little bit of water. So I suggest usually adding 1 teaspoon of water each day to your compost and shake it up real good. That's really important. And after some time, you will have made your very own compost. And what is super cool about that is, again, you can use it as fertilizer, you can use it mixed into soil, you can use it as mulch, and believe it or not, using compost actually cuts down your savings and money costs for trash hauling, mulch services, landscaping services, and having to buy fertilizer. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make compost in a cup.